This argument by Paley has been around for quite some time, and even though it's easily disprovable, the watch has become a symbol of intelligent design, and the watchmaker in turn has become a symbol of God. The profession of the watchmaker has long been known as noble and respectable. John is one of those aspiring watchmakers, or at least he was when he was young. His father had other plans, though. As fate, or maybe just chance would have it, his father decided that being a watchmaker was too frivolous for his own son. Instead, he wanted him to become an atomic physicist, because they were no longer living in an age where a watchmaker was needed. So a physicist he became, but that does not mean that John left watchmaking behind. Even into his adulthood, he was still fascinated by and still trying to fix watches. The memory of his childhood dream was still there. And maybe, because it was, that is why he became Dr. Manhattan. It is easy to see that John did not initially get to be what he wanted. But taking into account the title of the book and also the symbolism of the watchmaker, maybe John really did get to be one. Maybe John got to be a watchmaker in a greater sense. Not a maker of watches, but a maker of people and a maker of life.